So I'm back from my annual trip to Chile, and obviously I have a lot of different packages for video review. Let's start with this one. This is a flashlight lamp, a UrFlamp, pretty nice boxing. Compact and practical flashlight powered by a single 18,350 Lion battery. You can also buy a compatible battery, so that's good because you can replace it. Type-C charging and both floodlight and spotlight versions. So let's take a look. The guarantee for it, pretty detailed information. Unfortunately, oh no, this is in English. So let's take a look. I made this mistake before, so sometimes I try to turn them on, but they have a protective plastic somewhere here. Let me see how to unscrew it. Oh, this part here. So it doesn't look like it's charged. We're gonna charge it now. It has a telescopic handle, and I can see here a screw to mount it on a little tripod or something. Let's make sure. Oh no, there it is. It's lighting already. Wow. Pretty good. I'm gonna try tonight in the dark. Here's the USB-C wire. Some protective rings, I believe, for here. And this string to hold it so you don't lose it. There you go. So now it's gonna be super secure there. There you go. So you can put it on. USB-C cable, and I saw the port here, right there. So there you have it. UrFlamp V63, 3800 lumens, 663 meters of reach. This is the battery again, 18350 or 18650. It's only 3.3 inches when it's not extended and 4.5 when it's extended. And it can last 760 hours. It also have a magnetic hold. I'm gonna try that later. Obviously, I don't have anything here, but this looks like a really good product. We'll try it later tonight outside. So here I am on a bike ride at night in my neighborhood, which, as I've said in other videos, it's really nice. But for some reason we get very bad street lighting. So this is where these flashlights that I get are really, really useful. For example, here we are under the only public light here. But now let's see how dark it is. Let's try the flashlight now. Wow. You can see how far this goes. It's really, really good. It has different settings. Let's try another one. So this is like an emergency light, as you can see. A good how far it goes. Definitely a really good product. I like the way it flashes. That means it's on. Let's go around the corner here. This is a bigger street, 57th Avenue. There goes a car and they can for sure see me. And look how dangerous that is. Those kids on those e-bikes with no lights whatsoever, they should get one of these. So here at the park, the parking lot and the tennis courts are really well lit, but once you get into the actual park, see the difference. And this south part of the park, where we have a canal, it's gone in complete darkness. So this light really, really helps going in here, because look at this. You don't see anything there. And then with this light, let's see how bright it is. Even that car, look at me like, what's going on with that light? I don't see bright light like this every time. So I really like the product. It's definitely going to be very useful for my night rides, especially now here in Miami, which is super hot at night. Best part about it is that once you're done with the bike, you can take it with you. Here's another little demonstration in this dark alley in my house. Short, brighter, and flashlight. Excellent product.